Hello everybody, this is Deb from the apple tree, and this is my little kitten, Bubbles. She wanted to help. Actually, she's getting a little tired. She wants to take a nap. And she likes it when she sits with me and I pet her and she gets all cozy, right Bubbles? Yeah, see, she's tired, kitty. She's been running around for a little while now. Okay, little peanut. It's okay if I put you down? I gotta put you down. Okay? I'm gonna quick make the pumpkins and then we can go lay down. Okay? Alright. Alright, now I started this live video and I can't figure out how to reverse the image. I didn't get my little tools button. Nope, that's the wall. Isn't that pretty? Okay, I'm back again. But I'm backwards. And nope. And then what's that? Nope. Oh well. I don't think it will matter with this live anyway, because I'm going to work on those cutout pumpkins that we have with the coordinating transfer for the pumpkins. So this makes these projects very quick and easy for you, and you'll look like a professional and you did it in no time. Alright, so these are the cutouts. They come painted and they're wooden, so they're pretty substantial. And then here's another one, that's the big one. And then what we have are coordinating transfers, one for the tall one for the short one. And these all came on one big sheet, so I already cut them apart just to save time. And then here's some more. We got another tall one and a short one. And they're beautiful patterns. I really like them. They're going to look sharp. Now with these, I am going to use the color black, the black paste today, because I want to kind of go with the black and white theme, obviously, and, you know, dress them up with some raffia or something and just make them look really cute with the black and white. But you could also use any color you want. You can use purple's a good one, orange. We've got, what else here? Now we've got like the shimmer gold. That would look really pretty on these. Or the shimmer copper. And now that's, I think that's a true fall color right there. The shimmer copper is a nice one. I think, you know, actually if you made a pumpkin, one pumpkin out of each one, I think they would look really cute together. And there's a multitude of other colors to choose from. We've got different shades of purples. We also have this. This is new. This is a curry, and that's going to be a nice fall color to use. So I think, you know, that too would look really cute on these pumpkins. Alright, but for today I am going to use black because that's the color combination that I want to use in my home. So I've already have the chalk paste all stirred up, ready to go. You know, try to get things ready so this goes quickly. And I am going to move you guys down so you can see what I'm doing. I hope that's far enough. Oops. Let's see it. I don't know if you guys can see it. I forgot to bring my little light down here. And it would be nice if I could make this camera go even farther down. Maybe. Well, you can see pretty good. Yeah, that's not too bad. So here we go. I am going to use, I'm not going to use the black with this one because it'll be, to me it'll look like a prison uniform, black and white with a stripe. So I think I'll skip that one. For the small pumpkin, I'm going to use the dots instead. I think that would look really cute. And to match the dots, I think that I'll use this one on the larger pumpkin rather than this plaid looking pattern. All right, so here we go. First thing we got to do is fuzz up the transfers, as you know. Okay. I think we'll start with the little pumpkin. And put the big one on the side here. First thing I want to do is fuzz it up. So we pull the transfer off the backer from side to side or top to bottom. You don't want to pull it corner to corner because this is like a fabric. It'll stretch. We don't want that to happen because there's actually, I don't know if you can see that on the camera, that's like a screen in there, and that's what allows these transfers to give you so much detail on the products that you create. All right, I'm gonna fuzz this up quick. There we go. And I'm gonna, you see the stem on here? The cat's trying to crawl the wall. You have to match up the transfer with the stem. So I'm gonna have to flip this around so that it all fits. Let's see if you guys can see that. You see how easy that just fits right over that? Push it down nice, make sure it sticks. Get around all the edges. All right, make sure that there's no air bubbles in there. Oops. Good. And I already have, hi Anne, thanks for joining and watching. I'm going to use the black paste with this one. So we just take a little bit on our squeegee. We simply run it down the pumpkin or the pattern. I'm going to fill in all of the pattern or silk screen. You want to work a little quickly because this paste does dry relatively quick. You still have time to work with it, but you've got to work quick with it. Tricky around the edges of these. Now I'm just pulling off the excess paste, putting it back in my jar. That way our paste lasts a really long time. That's a good value for your money. Oh, thank you. I'm growing it out and I'm gonna go blonde. I'm slowly getting highlights put in my hair. Thank you very much. All right, let's pull this off. And I'm gonna put this in my tub of water. And look how cute that is. Isn't that adorable? That's so darling. Hi, Anne. Thanks for joining. Isn't that cute? Now that's going to take just a few minutes to dry. You can speed up the process with the blow dryer, but I don't need to. I'm not doing any other layering on this one. I'll put it off to the side, let it dry. Okay, and we will move on to the great big pumpkin cutout. Get the transfer off the backer. And we fuzz it up a little bit. And now, because these pumpkins are made out of actual wood, and they're painted, before I went live here, I did do a little bit of wax on there just so that these transfers don't pull up the paint. But it shouldn't. When you fuzz them up on the towel here, that helps prevent it from pulling that up as well. So we will just line this up. Yeah, and the black and white is just, to me, it's just very striking. I like the color, well, lack thereof, combination. Black and white, it's simple. I think that's why I like it. And I'll quick make sure now we have all the bubbles out. All right, that's good. Can you guys see? Take some more black paste. And I think I'm going to start maybe in the middle, because it's a little difficult going off the edge of the pumpkin. There we go. Yeah, if you pull it out towards the outside, that makes it a little easier. Hi, North Shore Chalk Couture. Thank you for joining. How's the weather out where you are? It's been hot and humid here again in Wisconsin. We had a few nice days that were reasonable. It's just the humidity and dew point, I think, that gets you. All right, now we will just pull off the excess paste again. Put it back in your jar. And these pastes last a long time, and they will last a long time because you don't need very much to complete a project. Oops, starting to dry here, so I will pull this off. Oh, Oh my gosh. Wow. I love that. That is adorable. Holy cow. Here, I'll hold it up so you guys can see that. Look at that. That pattern. Ah, I'm in love. That is so adorable. Oh. I should order a couple more of those pumpkins. I just bought one set of 2 just to try them out. And I think that I will be ordering some more so I can have like a little vignette of pumpkins somewhere once I dress them up real cute. Oh, I love those. They're cute. All right, thanks for joining me today on this very quick video. You see how quick this project went because Chalk Couture makes it easy for you to complete these projects. If you're interested in anything, comment below and I will get back to you. And thanks for joining me, and we will see you soon. Bye.